Welcome to Tife Files TV. Mnogozi ya mega patinokupai nhau dzinonaka dzinotapira dzichiitika muZimbabwe. Holy 10 Chematamagamu is back achibva kurehab aiva kurova zvinodhaka. Ndizvo zvanga kutaura ane matama mukomana Simba. Tarisa mumwe
videos and my songs and because I really felt like when I was a size of brand. And then I'm back. It was like about some beer and I can't name because anyone in the right Sambi. But then yes, my Sambi and Sibo Bangoing and Ranyara. So those are so that I can really do what I'm supposed to do. But you guys, I love you guys. I'm always gonna love you guys. So many people got pretty teacher. So many people were there just waiting for me to go down. But way too many fans. I got way too many fans for these things. But I won't support, I won't love, I won't believe, and I want to thank you guys. I just came back for you. I won't lie to you, there's a time and I can't put up the music. Unzo wana kutaura da 10 wa Simba 10 looks like chichi. My skills ndozo nitamu otherwise. Pango ya number me. But now I'm ready. I'm ready. Yeah, my tracks and so over my tracks. Like it's so percent. So percent shook down. That's one and at the end of the day, the same people that will be laughing. Show up on live just talking about alcohol, the same people that will laugh at me when I've lost 20 kgs, when I've lost maybe Shunjagawanda because of the irresponsibility. So no more dramas, just music, just banging.
I'm sure you have heard from the horse's mouth. Holy 10 Pachaka achitaura nezvenyaya yemadrug nezvenyaya yekurehab. Tera yamunzwa indirambira achindadzoka ndauya nengoma dzisingaiti.
But damn it, man, hey, I'm going. Like for real though, like I'm going. Like hear from me, from the Holy 10, the leader of the youth, speak of the truth. Man, we talk about some music, I'm going. Like you just don't know how to do these things.
Adedzera kuti vese vakarova ngoma vari kurehab vakatadza vagoni yadzoka.
Zvaiva nangu arati because ndakazoona kuti zvinhu zvacho zvakuwana isusu zvacho. So I changed the name. The name of the album is now called Musoro Wenzo. Album Bruno's Musoro Wenzo. And guess what? I'm dropping it. On Monday. Thanks. I just hope a Panama gang are going to look around to eat at it. Hey, come down, Alpha. Right. Let's see a Maria together. Right? So yeah, thanks a lot for everyone and got patience. I just have to come back and take my seats back. I feel like I was one of them. Music is like a Buddha and I iterate. My jokes is like it when I come on. My skits is like a row and I come on. But damn it, man, hey, I'm going.
I'm sure machines can make a Jatarana Holy 10 leader of youth. He did a Pandanga and the Sipo Mungozi Mega. The guy is trying by all means to justify himself. Panga Sipo Arikup is obvious. Panga Sipo Pachundu Panga Arikup, Komana Gap, Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.